Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where Did My Foot Go? Sorry we didn't have much of a video yesterday, but today we're going on a great adventure and I can't wait for you guys to come and hang out with us. See ya! Hey everybody, so the sun is out and it was so hard this morning to show you what we're doing, but I got the okay to go truck driving with my husband. I don't actually get to drive the truck, he gets to drive the truck, but it's cool. We went from where we live up to Salt Lake City. We're having a blast and spending time together. Say hi, Mike.
Hey everybody.
Awesome, so I will just be taking you guys along today. We'll stop a couple more times. Let's have some fun. Thanks so much for watching us. God bless. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Da, 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 da. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Okay everybody, so that kind of wraps up our day today. We went 636 miles. It was awesome. Got to see so much cool stuff, which you'll see in the pictures. Now, we are gonna watch my very, very talented husband back up this rig. And there you go. Freaking awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this week's adventure. I wish that we had had more for you guys, but this was honestly the funnest thing ever. So you know what? Spend time with your loved ones. Enjoy them while you have them. All right? And peace out. God bless. See you guys later. Bye.